welcome back to my channel. Today I thought of just play around with some chicken breast and some shrimps. So I bought out 2 chicken breast with some shrimps. I clean it properly. I dried the water out. Then I mix with my Maggi seasoning. I added some salt to it. I mix it up properly. Then I went ahead. I added some curry seasoning. I added some blended ginger to it. I mix it properly. Then I went ahead, as a proper Nigerian, I can't do without pepper, so I added some blended chili to it. That will make this a bit spicy, so I added some blended chili. I mixed the chili up properly. I went ahead, I added 2 eggs. I gave it a proper mix. I mix up properly. As you can see, 2 eggs. I mix it properly with my spatula. It's not actually a must to use spatula. You can use your bare hand to mix this up. So I added some flour to it. I just needed some carbohydrate in that. Just a little bit of carbohydrate. So I mix it up with my spoon. I actually added, I think, about 4 tablespoons of flour to it. Then I mix it up. Then I separated this. I put the chicken in a separate bowl. I put the shrimps in the separate bowl in my air fryer. As you can see, I separated them. This is a whole lot of protein. Shrimp is actually low in calories, and I'm sure you know shrimp is really high in protein. Shrimp is a seafood that you know already. Shrimp is actually, I think, is a bit better than shrimps. Is also an antioxidant, and this protects your cell against damage. Shrimp is actually very good. Its consumption of shrimp is good, but when you eat it too much, it could be high in cholesterol, so you have to minimize your eating. So I put that in the air fryer for 10 minutes. I just made myself a very healthy dinner. Crispy, healthy, nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a blessed life. Bye.